What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm under the weather. I'm sick, but I gotta get through this. It is what it is. So I have welding gas in the back of the STI. I can show you quick. Here we got some argon CO2 mix. It's hard to talk. If I talk too much, I'm gonna start coughing. Yeah. I want to potentially do two things this video. So one, I want to fix the Forester, that's priority, and get the exhaust leak fixed, that garbage that the previous owner had done to it. That should be pretty easy. I have some spare exhaust tubing in the back right here. I don't know if you can see it, but that came off of an Impreza, my original Pardo Impreza. I now have a second one. Lovely. And then potentially we're gonna gut the Legacy, like mufflers, potentially. Dawn's not on board with it. Just give me a hard time. But I think I can get her to come around to it, right?
I might come over here.
Because we're gonna gut the mufflers.
No. Wow, I look like a hot mess.
No, you look very good. So I'm not allowed to spend money on the GT because we are trying to buy a house. So I figured the next best thing is to gut the mufflers, right?
No.
All right, she said yeah. Priority is the Forester, so let me start this thing up and get her fixed. Oh, and also, we got a pool. Well, we got a used pool. It's like a 26-foot pool. Yeah, we spent the last couple of days tearing it all apart from a place nearby us. Got it all here. Took a good chunk of my long weekend, so hopefully we can set it up and enjoy the pool. I'm not much of a pool guy, but well, public pool. I don't really love public pools, but personal, don't mind. So let's get this old girl fired up, move to the side of the house so I can jack her up, get the welder set up, and we can fix this thing. Will she start? Yes, sir. So, definitely does not sound good. I wanted my dad to take my unequal length headers from the Impreza and put it on here, but he doesn't want the rumble. Let's jack this girl up and see what we're working with. Well, I know what's there. It's not great. Okay, the car's jacked up. I don't entirely trust it just because it's on a slope, but the two jack stands in the front, so that one and the one over there, that's what's supporting it. I have a second one just in case, and I also have the jack right there just in case. I think we'll be okay, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. Let's see what underneath looks like. I mean, you guys seen it. It's bad. It's bad. How am I gonna get this off? There we go, that's one part of it. There we go. Well, this one's been chewed up pretty bad. I'll see if I can straighten that up a little bit. This one is on a bit of an angle. Hopefully I can cut something and make it work. So I measured it, it's about 3 7/8. I can cut out a straight section about right here and we should be good. I did have like an exhaust cutting tool, I don't know what you want to call it, but it's destroyed. I can't even use it. So angle grinder it is. This is really blurry. Is that better? So angle grinder it is with the cutoff wheel. Not the cleanest, but it should do the trick. So let's get her cut. So surprisingly, it fits pretty well. I went under there, marked it. There is gonna be gaps. I'm working with a cut that the guy butchered, so I tried cleaning it up a bit. I guess now would be a good time to pull out the gas and see if this thing actually works. Otherwise, I gotta use my my MIG welder. Well, my TIG welder. No, my flux core welder. It's a Lincoln Electric. I've never used it, so please don't judge my welds. Please. It's been a while. And I've never used a machine, so I'm gonna have to set it up. But let me get the tank out and everything set up, and we should be able to rock. You're so awkward right now. Oh my god.
I don't want it to shake.
Oh shit, you know what I realized?
What?
I can't weld with this right away. I gotta let this sit for a while.
Because you shook it?
No, because it's laying on its side. So I just say screw it.
No.
I need to double check, but I don't remember if that's oxyacetylene or if that's argon and CO2. I gotta double check. This is kind of heavy. Pick her up. Secure. It's brand new, never used it. I don't know if it works. We'll find out. That should be okay. Should we just open it a bit?
No?
I gotta look it up.
Yeah, you should look it up. Don't
Alright,
just
let
send
me look it
it.
up.
Like,
Let me
that's
look-
not...
Yeah, but I'm a sender.
Let's not send that.
I'm a sender. So,
You look like you're condom.
so, Don's making me be responsible. I have to wait an hour. I should have pulled this out earlier. I knew better. I had to pick up a pool. Didn't think about it. We're gonna have to wait a bit. We'll see where the sun is in an hour, but I gotta wait a bit. Why are you shaking your head?
It's gonna be down. It's a tomorrow thing.
I can wing it, man. I want this done.
No, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
But I want to get the legacy mufflers
We'll
tomorrow.
see you guys tomorrow.
What do you mean? We'll see. We'll see what happens, how I feel. Alright. Whatever, I don't know. Alright guys, this is the next day. I feel a little bit better, but I have a pretty gnarly cough. I'm going to try to not get too worked up and then have a coughing fit. Otherwise, bad things are going to happen. Gas has been sitting now for, I don't know, 10, 12 hours, so we should be more than good on that. I have the battery disconnected. Hopefully you can see that. I've never even used this welder, but I got to run the power extension cord down there through that window. It's where my dryer is. And we can power this thing up for the first time. I've had this, I don't know, I've had it for probably like 4 years. I've never used this just because I never had a way to power it. But I'm looking forward to trying it out for the first time. I got a test piece right here. I'm gonna try it out on that. There's some mosquitoes and see how that goes. But let's go ahead, run the cord and power up for the first time. Well, that is a problem. So we have a generator here. I was debating on trying it, but same issue. Won't work. Flux core it is. Sorry, Dad. The Lincoln is all packed up, unfortunately. I really want to try this someday. Again, I've had this thing for years, just never got a chance to try it. But we pulled out the booger machine. Let's put down some boogers because this doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what I try. It's always just producing boogers, but I'll try to make it somewhat clean. This looks like shit. I might be out of water. We did run out of flux core, as you can see. That sucks. However, my welder came with a bunch of extra tips, and it came with some MIG wire, some solid MIG wire that I've never used, so I'm gonna try that out. I jerry-rigged the tank up to it. I have no idea if this is gonna work. We are gonna try and see. It might just blow off the line right away, don't know. So it's purging. Looks like it's doing too much though. Let's try that out. That's cool, it's actually working. All right, let's see what happens. All right, so this will be a little test, see how it welds. This thing can actually weld. Okay. You know what, I'm gonna leave it at that setting. I'm gonna try it underneath the car now and see what I can put out. Oh, I didn't see that. That's gonna be hard to fill. I think I gotta drop the exhaust. This is not my best welds, I promise. I really do promise. It's definitely not the prettiest, I'll be the first to admit. But my fiance said, it's like Buckley's. Tastes awful, but it works. Same thing, looks awful, but it should work. Let's see how she sounds. Sounds pretty quiet to me. I don't see any smoke coming out, which is a good sign. Give her a little rev. I think my dad will like that. There we go, she is all cleaned up. Well, all put back together and very far from clean. But she should be good to go get safetied. It was definitely a booger weld job. Definitely not my best. It is what it is. I think I did all right considering what I had to work with. I was gonna do the Legacy GT muffler delete in this video, but this took a lot longer than I expected. I think it's already gonna be a long video as is. So I think what I'm gonna do, close this out. The next video you guys see will be the Legacy GT muffler delete. Looks like I hit the camera right there. No, it's just a little bit of dirt. Please feel free to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Take it easy, and hopefully my dad can get this thing certified and safetied, and it's his new daily. All right, take care, guys.